Hey guys, what is up? Lefty back here again, and thanks for checking out the video. It's been a long time coming since I recorded something. I actually had some time to sit down and actually record a video here. As you can see, it's a little bit of a new layout here. I got a nice white window background, which kind of looks sort of cool, and then at the same time looks really shitty. And I've always noticed too, whenever I get the time to actually record, I just look terrible. I always need a haircut or a shave or something. But anyway, it kind of is what it is. So I'm just gonna go forward with it. I actually tried to record this video earlier and stuff like that, but and I can't really figure out a great way to kind of start the video. I'm just going to jump in, and just kind of talk about what I want to talk about. So yeah, let's do it. Update about why, I'm kind of been away and stuff like that, and just haven't really made a video. It's kind of like 3 reasons basically. To boil it down, both me and my wife got new jobs. I'm going back into office. She is still working in the home, which actually is nice because we save on daycare. Because that shit's ridiculous. My son, getting older and getting a lot more rambunctious, is taking a lot more of my free time as well, which as it should, because I am a father. So you have those kind of things, and those are kind of distracting me away from doing gun-related things as well. Like I'm not going to the range very often anymore, and actually I haven't been in quite some time. It's been before Christmas, so it's been a few months at least. So that's kind of a ding on my part, and that's kind of what I want to lead into as well. And then also, did I mention I have a new job? I can't remember if I did. My fucking brain is toast. It's the weekend, and I actually have to go to my second job here pretty soon. But it kind of is what it is. Got to grind for the fam and all that fun stuff. But yeah, both my wife and I got new jobs, more responsibility, a little bit more demanding. So when I get home, kind of dead. Especially when you have to deal with my son too, who's just a little freaking hellion. And then as well, recently, a few months ago actually, my wife and I actually decided to buy a house, and we're building a house too, so it's a little bit more detailed in terms of like all the stuff they need from us. It's not like, oh, we like that, we'll take it. It's like, hey, what do you want for this? What do you want for that? How do you want your fucking curtains to look? It's like, just fucking throw something up. I don't care. So anyway, we have a whole bunch of that stuff going on. That's still not closed yet. We're still trying to do all that, do with the new job stuff, and then also deal with the little hellion run around. So it's been a little hectic. A little bit more detail than I think I needed, but yeah, that's just kind of what I've been kind of going on in my life and why I have not put out a lot of videos for YouTube. But jumping into the actual video now, first of all, I do want to say thank you to all the subscribers. I think I have like almost 2,300 or something like that. That's crazy. That's fucking nuts. I mean, that's awesome. I really wanted to do a 2,000 subscriber video. Just haven't had the time to make it, but hopefully I will get some time in the near future. So kind of springboarding off of all that new stuff, what I want to do is just kind of talk about what this video is about, is to make sure you check what is and who is the most important in your life, because shit can go down like that. Basically, I wanted to always kind of bring up this video, but with the Ukraine and the Russia thing going on, I think it's more prevalent than ever. The new jobs, the new houses, getting the promotions and all this stuff and all the fancy new cars that you can buy and stuff, like that's all great and that's fun. It shows good work ethic and all this stuff and good character, whatever the hell. But at the end of the day, you have to really realize that that stuff is just kind of material shit, as it does floats by. It's just kind of material things, and they really don't matter as much as you think they do, especially with the money shit. Like, you'd be surprised how easily you can get by on just the minimal amount of stuff. Like, you don't need all the crap. You don't need the new cars. You don't need new gun stuff or any of that stuff. You just need to focus on what's important. Because as you can see, like over in Ukraine and over in Russia and all that shit, I mean, people have to really come to the conclusion themselves or really realize it through some event like this, that the natural state of the world, for better or worse, is basically violence. It is just straight up destruction. It's people taking things, killing people. It's not a nice place. And the modern society has been able to create this kind of illusion over people's eyes as to how horrible the world is, at least for people in the West that have like just kind of this utopia almost fantasy that they're living in right now. So, I mean, you can be living the great life, driving down suburbia one day, and then the next day, your fucking ass is dead. Not even talking about war or anything. You just get hit by some dude that's been texting or some shit, some kid that was texting, or some fucking asshole country can invade your shit, or some gangsters can show up to your house one day and then fucking you know, and try to break in and steal your shit and then end up killing your ass in front of your family. You know, like there's just stupid shit that happens, and I think people really just need to take a second and realize that the natural state of things in the world is just not good. It's not the life that you think you have. And I think everybody just really needs to come to terms with that and just accept it. That's all you can really do, right? It's just kind of say, yeah, that's just the way things are. I mean, obviously you have this whole thing of like when people are like dying of cancer, it's like, oh, I got to live every day as if it was my last. You can't really do that. I mean, that's just not practical. But just to have that always in the back of your mind, like, yeah, this next project and work might be important, or this next, the light bill coming up or whatever that we can barely afford, you know, shit like this, like, it's important, but at the end of the day, know that family, friends, kids, all that shit comes first. And, you know, that's basically all you got in life. And, you know, and there's just kind of this quick little thing I just kind of wanted to throw out there. And not that I'm saying anything, you know, crazily profound or anything like that. I just kind of feel like I wanted to share that and also give an update to everybody, kind of in what's going on with me. So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. More videos coming up here. Probably not so much product video just because, again, I just haven't had the time to do stuff with that or really buy any of that stuff. So, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Be good.